Okay friends, to get started we need to make sure that our steering wheel is in the fully up position. Once you've done that, use a T20 Torx driver like this and you're going to remove 3 screws. One here, here, and right there. Now we need to remove the steering wheel adjuster. There's another T20 screw right on that side there. Coming over to the passenger side of the steering column, we need to remove this bezel right here. Just go ahead and get under there, lift this up, and pull it out of the way. Now we're going to grab onto this, give it a little wiggle. We should be able to grab it and separate it just like this. Let's get this out of here as well. And we can remove the top aspect as well. Now what we need to do is turn the steering wheel just like this. So that way there we have access to these 2 Phillips head screws, and then remove the pair. Grab onto your multifunction switch, give it a little wiggle, and pull it right out. On the back side here, we're going to remove the wiring now. There's a little red lock right here. If you come right there, push this, it separates. Now squeeze this, and there it is, friends. Double check your wiring, make sure you don't see any funny colors. Assuming it looks good, let's continue with our install. Connect in your wiring. Make sure you lock it. That's good. Give it a nice tug. Awesome. Line this up with where it needs to go. Carefully push it in. Put in your 2 mounting screws and snug them up. Before we go too much further, let's go ahead and give this a test. With the key in the on position, go ahead and test your wiper blades, squirters, directionals of course, and if your headlights were on, give those high beams a test. This works perfectly. Let's continue. Let's go ahead and get our covers back on here. Okay, let's get our clamshell back together here. You want to make sure it lines up perfectly on both sides. This looks good. Let's start in our screws. Grab this, line it up on here, go ahead and squeeze it in. It should click in. Make sure it's sitting perfectly all the way around. That looks great. Let's get our adjuster back on there as well.